Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my fall Fabfitfun box. I feel like it's been a long time since I got a Fabfitfun. I know the last one was like not that long ago, but I'm like really liking my Fabfitfun so far. I believe this is my third or fourth box. I can't remember, but yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing the fall 2020 box. So I hope you guys are all excited about this video. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to enter that. And also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is the fall box. I always love their boxes. I'm actually really loving the fall print on this box. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I have not looked in here yet. I do know what I picked for like my choices, but I haven't watched anybody else's like Fabfitfun videos yet because I wanted to be surprised. So the first thing I got here is this from the brand Jenny Bird, and I'm pretty sure that this is a necklace. It comes in this nice bag. Yes, so I do remember picking this out. It's like a double layered necklace. How pretty is this? So apparently the price of this necklace is $115. I have like their little, I don't know, like magazine thing that I'm reading off. So yeah, this is the Jenny Bird Liana pendant. It says a hand-formed drop delicately hangs on a stamped high-polished curb chain and is layered with a box chain. Honestly, this does feel very nice. I can see how it is $115. So here is it up close. You just have this little pendant here. The chain feels very nice. I'm really excited to wear this. I love layered necklaces like this. I was actually really excited about this choice. I feel like they always have really good like jewelry selections in their box. I have picked jewelry items before in my past Fabfitfun boxes, so yeah, I'm really excited about that. All right, next up we have this, and I don't remember picking this out. This is from the brand The Laundress. This is their crease release. What is this? Let me find this in our little magazine because I don't know what this is. All right, let's see. This says it's the Laundress New York Crease Release. Easily removes moderate wrinkles, from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. And the price of this is $16. I am one of those people who like always wear my shirts wrinkled. Like I just don't care, but my husband is like super anti-wrinkle, so he probably will be using this. I really want to smell this and see if it smells good. I love the scent of like clean laundry. I'm gonna spray some like on myself. Yeah, it definitely smells like clean laundry. So you know you're getting old when you get excited about a product that removes creases from your clothing. So I'm actually excited about this. I'm definitely gonna try this out to see if it works. I've never even heard of a product like this. All right, so the next thing I got is this right here, and I believe the brand is Height. This is their Tranquility Sleep Mist. So this product is $22, and it says it's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. It says that this mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. I'm not like the biggest fan of witch hazel, so I probably wouldn't like spray this on my face. But it says that it has powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin. I don't know if I could see myself using this or not, because I don't know, I just never really use like sleep products. I'll probably just like end up putting this in a giveaway or something because I definitely don't see myself using this. I have no problem at all falling asleep. Like as soon as I lay down, I'm like out. So yeah, I'll probably just put this in a giveaway or something. All right, so the next product I got right here is a hair product. So this is from the brand Liquid RX. It says it's their stress reliever 100% natural hair oil. It says to give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. And the price of this is $75. Wow, that's really expensive. This has a bunch of different oils in it. It says to use your fingers to apply the oil into the scalp and hair, massage lightly, and then shampoo and rinse after 1 hour or later. I do have really dry ends in my hair, so I can definitely see myself using this, and stress relief is always great, so I actually am kind of excited about this one. Okay, this next thing, the packaging is so cute. It's like a little milk carton. So this is from the brand The Beauty Crop, and I believe I've gotten this brand like in BoxyCharm before. This is their Glow Milk nourished with coconut oil and argan oil. What is this, like a face product? Let's see. Okay, so apparently this is a highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so yeah, it is a liquid highlighter. The shade does look a little bit dark for me, so this might go in a giveaway or something, but it says that it's enriched with coconut and it gives you a lit from within glow, and the price of this is $19.50. Honestly, the packaging of this is so adorable. I think that is just so cute, and highlighters are always good to get. It is just a little bit deep for my skin tone, but the shade is really pretty. So the next thing I got in my box is this, and I don't think I picked this out. If I did, I don't remember picking this out, but this is a scarf or a cardigan. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see. This is the Soya in Cayo. I probably just butchered that. Woven scarfigan with fringe. I've never heard of that. It says the scarf cardigan crossover is crafted with signature woven fabric and drapes beautifully over the shoulders. And the price of this is $85. Well, honestly, this is a really good thing to get for the fall. Wow, this is really big. I actually love the color. How do you wear this? So I guess you like put it over your shoulders, and then where do your arms go? Okay, let me show you guys. I feel like something ain't right here. So while I think that this is a great idea and it looks cute, I just don't feel like this really fits me. I'm not like into like one size fits all because I feel like that just never works, and I'm like pretty small, so this is just really big on me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it out like with a real outfit on, because honestly I'm wearing like pajama pants right now. So I would have to try this out with like jeans and see how it looks, but it is cute. So the next thing in my box is another product that I picked out, and it is a water bottle. So the price of this is $35. This is a mason jar hydration kit, and I use water bottles a lot. Honestly, I do not need any new water bottles, but I thought this was so cute. So here's what it looks like. So it's like a glass water bottle, and then it has this outer cover. This is so cute. So this says that it holds up to, let's see, 20 ounces of water. Feels very nice. It is a pretty heavy water bottle, so I'm actually really excited about this. And then the last thing that I got in my fall box is a curling iron, and this is from the brand Foxy Bay. I never heard of this brand before. I did pick out this product, but this was like the one choice that I was like really interested in getting. This is their rose gold 25 millimeter curling wand, and the price of this is $99. It says it's made with tourmaline, I don't know if I'm saying that right, infused ceramic, and that it increases hair shine and creates voluminous curls. All right, so here is what the wand looks like. It feels very nice. I wonder how hot this gets. Why do I not see how hot it gets? That's weird. For some reason, I can't see on the box or in the little pamphlet how hot this gets, and there's only like a power button. There's no like button to like increase or like lower the temperature, so that's really weird. I'll have to look that up, I guess. But yeah, it does feel very nice, and it is a good size curling wand, so this is really exciting to get. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in my fall Fabfitfun box. I'm actually really impressed with this box. I think there's probably only been like one Fabfitfun box that I didn't like, and that was like a few boxes ago. I want to say it was like the spring box, but my last two boxes have been really good. So the things that I'm most excited for probably would be the necklace, and then I'm also really excited about the water bottle. I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of this. And then of course I'm excited about the curling wand, but I just wish I knew how hot this got, because I feel like I need a lot of heat to get my hair to like do what I want, whether it's straightening or curling. And then I do feel like the scarfigan would have been really nice if it wasn't so large, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it out and see if I can make it work. Surprisingly, I'm actually excited to try out this crease release product. And then these three products were just okay. I probably will be using the hair oil, but these two I'll probably just put in a giveaway. But this packaging is so cute. Hopefully I didn't forget anything or miss out on mentioning something, but yeah, overall I was really impressed with this box. If you guys get Fabfitfun, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box. There are so many different variations between the boxes, so I would love to hear what you guys got. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. You do not want to miss out on it. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to check it out. And also, before you guys go, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.